And then, you know, day na year to Abano, 31st January 2026, Saturday. Baumia was born on Monday. That Monday happened to be one of his lucky days. That day to Abano, again, Saturday again a lucky day. But okay, can't date of birth, date na year to Abano, 31st January 2026, number 6, which happens to be one of his lucky numbers. So that should tell you what is really going to happen on that very day. Nti color Baumia added that a ballot paper no so no. Say color blue or jade green, be favor so much on that election day. Me say see ya me no ka say nay me check Baumia ene kenene Japonwa gabe wo muntemun enduru 5%. Baby a de nay me no ka say 28 fee a me check ye no ni obe win no gabo no 2 to 5%.
Abusia emre ene na ya na ye de word asane bia no wo mu a enim sunsumu enwuma kire se ya na ewo sunsuaso pa kase e wo ye dada brabo so busia me no e kase ochina na NPP for ekwakoto wo mu abano na Jana Jukes abekasa na busia wo de eda ya ye de wo Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ne mre a ye de wo no date a ye de wo no afi na husuo kala ya beboa no ene eniema bia efa Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ho e wo sunsum fom a wo kire se sa niema no na ka Dr. Mahamadu Baumia eye ya ke betimi aboa no ewa aba wo mu kwakoto na so wo kire se esa ade ba akumienu binti no margin e beda Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ene ono abokena kompa kwa Japan no so o eye ketuwa bi na busia wo kire atade a Dr. Mahamadu Baumia wonhye na empo won fanto ballot papers na kamia ye se sa atade ne de Dr. Wensimi aje afei edamemne da na wo mo de eto aba no Jana Chooks actually sada no so ewo Dr. Mahamadu Baumia eso too much gh eni yekotie video the best so me subscribe button ya no wakai so the bell be kan so upload me to the first person ya wonsa ebedi kan aka
the Mahamadu no ye MAHAMUDU o check here ebe ma 4 plus 1 plus 1 sorry 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 equals to number 4. So Mahamadu numerically no okura the energy of 4. Mahamadu nukura the energy, mystical energy of 4. Baumia ni BAWUMIA. Baumia and also your 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 ebema of 3 and then Baumia also carry the energy of number 3. You know, say o come Mahamadu na akokohwe the number 4 na egina homa stability, egina homa discipline, egina homa hard work, egina homa practicality, egina homa structure. Okay? So number 4, my friend said the builder and the organizer. That's number 4. So the positives of number 4, and it said number 4 people are very dependable. They are very organized. Okay? They are very dependable and they are very patient. But those of you who will say, he's somebody you can depend on. He's somebody who is patient. Yeah. The challenges in say rigidity. Why are very rigid to do. He's too rigid. Say, Okasa will be living where he will not listen to anything. So rigid. So the challenge is not rigidity. He's a very stubborn man. Baumia is a very stubborn man because the Dean Mahamadu no number 4. Number 4 no carry that energy of stubbornness and rigidity. Okay? Or a very hard working person. Workaholic. That is Baumia. Obeya yajuma omre. That is Baumia. Okay? And you know, or a very resistant person. Then be as I deal no believe in a way they are very resistant. You not listen. Very resistant person. Now, I am resistant to what? Or a resistance to change. On pens very rigid. On a resistance to change. It is a way no person. No. That's what he would do. So I am very resistant to change. And I know a symbolize it foundation, order, and endurance. Okay? And I'm so resistant to change, you know. It just symbolize the foundation and order and to endurance. Okay? Symbolizes foundation, order, and then endurance. That is the Baumia. That's the Mahamudu. Okay, number 4. Yanko Baumia na number 3, no. Number 3 is gravity, expression, joy, social energy, optimism. They can say number 3 is the artist, is the communicator. Also, Baumia very good communicator. Very good communicator because say Baumia is number 3. So all that influence, of communication. Baumia Kasai will be able to convince you because say or you're a very great communicator because of the influence of the number 3. Or you're entertainer. Mama Bemba, me so you're a funny person. Me what? Or you'll be a cracky joke, funny, who want to channel best all the time. So or you're an entertainer. Or you're very charismatic. Okay? And or you're very imaginative. Then be another the idea where but the idea where or you be or imagine normal, a kind of a dreamer kind of thing. Then be or imagine normal. So Baumia are imaginative. Or you're very enthusiastic. Then be able to know say be or can I say be crying as a cannot say. Because deep down, or you're very enthusiastic, and be able to say yes, or you're very enthusiastic, or you're very witty. Okay, the positive side of number 3 is a very uplifting and or very inspirational. That's Baumia. The Dean Baumia na number 3. No, the challenge is in a scatter energy. So his energy is very scattered. His energy is not focused on one thing. He want to do this. He want to do that. He want to do this. He want to do this, or he's unable to consummate his energy on one thing. Energy is scattered. Okay, so the energy number 3 na influencing Baumiano. A man energy is scattered into on focus so at a time. He want to do many things at the same time. Basana, it doesn't really help you because Basana, your energy will be scattered. And or a very superficial. We will be about me about the opportunity. He believes in speciality. Okay, a very superficial power. And or a very emotional. Today his emotions are very good. Tomorrow his emotions are not very good. Mama Bemba Umiano, you guys would say they make an correct. Okay. So but I'm telling you this because me I believe in the numbers. Okay? And his energy is scattered. He's not focused on one thing or pursuing so many things at the same time. So a money energy is scattered. And or a very superficial, like I said, or a very emotional. Now the emotions are up and down. They will more about the emotions a while of form like that time, so the emotions are very unstable, and then it's linked to selflessness. Okay, self-expression, growth and joy of life. So Baumia love life. You want to live happy life, and or self-expression to growth. So these are normal the influence on the Baumia person because of the D Baumiano. Okay. Okay, so young idea. So you have Baumia the Dean Baumiana Yahuni Dino Baumia and Mahmoud, the energy a control influencing both the positive side and the negative side. So young idea Baumia ya on 7th October 1963. A day and a Monday. And the 7th October 1963, okay, numerologically, about number 9. Okay, about number 9. You know, 7 for the being influence when so 10 no I 1 no October is being influence when start so. And then okay in the bomua about number 9 is being influence I want so. They were number 7 no. Number 7 no positive energy. Spirituality. The Baumia episun sumunsem. Emma introspection or you be a pair meditation no money say normal first no silence awareness normal. He will love those things. Or a very analytical person or be obey me at say analyze them normal for a very deeper very deeper meaning. He will be able to do that. Okay, or very analytical. The American, I know you'll be out there, but me about the American and correct. Or carry wisdom, but Umia is very intelligent, is a very wise man. Opa Chilino, but I'm telling you, he's a wise man. Could have wisdom. And what you know, so he's always seeking for some higher truth. Or pen could be a word all the time he's seeking. So it'll be our peer research, you know. At the end of the day, the person want to seek for some higher truth. See, I know number 7. Number 1, no, the influence, and not say a man a leader. Okay, a man leader, or you're very independent, or you'll be he can think for himself. Okay, he acts based on originality. Said you no atie no change no easily. Said you tie no okase or dey ni su esi kura na enye possible. People will see this kind of person he is. You know, it's somebody or act based on originality in this or try say or that nipa or pretend you be away there will be who ni pursue and kasa oye. Okay, or a very ambitious person, very ambitious. And or you be a otimi initiative normal. Initiator, or you're the pioneer and the innovator. Somebody within his class of friends, you know, tembiano or beshe bibia say or be person or be initiative bibi or be originative bibi, yeah. Or you're strong-willed or you're courageous and or you're self-reliant or there will be a order home at 20 also. Okay, the amateur week now is the truth. The one more ban no, you will tell me said the papa you can hear no correct. So the positive side of number 1, no. And it's or you're visionary, or you're very determined. Yes, but we are visionary, or you're very determined. The challenge is in it, he can be ego driven as a hand tiny must be what so. Okay? A homaso ne a hand tiny would move because or Timothy that chain is more self-dependent man. Ego driven, a homaso be a hand tiny would move. To Bernard they be as or the more babies that kind of thing. Subtly, babies are good. My cousin are very stubborn and or overly dominant. If he's leading any committee or something, now some of the kind of finer and you're very easy to obey them BIS president who do you pay. Yeah. Or you're overly dominant. And symbolizing new beginnings and individuality. So that is the number 1 now October. But number 9 now okay the date in 7th October 1963 no at the boom amount number 9 no number 9 no representing compassion or humanitarian or a very or you will be or show ideas of leadership or a teacher or a giver and or a generous so that make you very wise and then or a very artistic. So these are all the qualities are obi to me I experience. But maybe no maybe no when we are going there you will understand. Baby yeah cause it's here. Nti yanya we nyina wie no don't forget that Baumia was born on Monday. Na ne lucky day ya wo no 7th October 1963 nti. Days Baumia de ya de ebeboa no Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Fortunately for him, he was born on a Monday, which happened to be one of his lucky days. So the day Baumia was born was very good influence for his star. Okay? Good. Baumia announced he won on 7th October 1963. The lucky numbers are 5, 6, and 9. 5, 6, and 9. And don't forget to or no the date of birth okay can you the boom amount number 9, which means the number as or not that you won no a falling on one of his lucky numbers a number 9. Oko ballot no so me check it Google no you say order number 3 or ballot no so me boa order number 3 and adana ye to abanankasa no election day no Saturday no ye 31st January 2026. Here na who say Baumia ne lucky days no ye Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Nti da ye to abana Saturday no enye Baumia's lucky day. What I say? Day na ye to abano election day 31st January 2026 no Saturday. It is not a lucky day for Baumia. But so okay, cut 31st January 2027, amount number 6. That number 6, one of the lucky numbers of Baumia, because he was born on 7th October 1963 and making number 9. It means that day near Twabano, okay, cut that day number na number 6, Baumia's lucky number, even though the day Saturday and kind of lucky days. Okay, yanko yanim. Baumia enamzi ya wono 7th October 1963 no. The best color or the year bibi ebeboa no blue and jade green. Okay, bibiana obeshe blue and jade green no emano more positive energy. Anything no say unnecessary no. But so we had there day na yeto aba no Saturday. Okay, kabomwa number 6. Saturday no enye Baumia's lucky day, but number 6 now okay can 31st January 2026 my number 6 no one of his lucky days, lucky numbers 5, 6 and 9. But there ba Baumia be here can energies want to complete his energies. The alphabet carrying the soul no, to the realms. And this alphabet no GSKC. So this alphabet no numbers alphabet carry Barumia's spirit to the realms. So when him this mystical sign they do be a guiding one. Now say you should this GSKC. For instance, I want no ne papers no any process no be na sa letters yi wa twetwe wo mu amanfo hu ya. It means that these letters no will be on the wings that Baumia can facilitate himself or catapult himself to the realms, to the top of the election. And then day na year to abano 31st January 2026 Saturday. Baumia was born on Monday. That Monday happened to be one of his lucky days. That day year to abano again Saturday again a lucky day. But okay, can date of birth date na year to abano 31st January 2026 number 6, which happens to be one of his lucky numbers. So that should tell you what is really going to happen on that very day. The color Baumia added that a ballot paper no so no say color blue or jade green be favor so much on that election day. At the end of the day, I know the person who is going to win the election just based on what I have done with this. But I'm not going to mention him. Who you will be at the making who follow the year now, you're very sensitive, very smart, who you're very intuitive. Who be who by the directions on echo. I won't mention him. And then we many will be ekasai. Many ni pa kasai no. O se nana na election you call say abeko say me say see ya me no kasai nei me cheke Baumia ene kenene Japonwa gabe wo muntemun enduru 5%. Yeah. Uti nipa making or no one of these candidates no more big supporter or person more winning than or say now here women when the baby me say baby I didn't near me no say 28 fee I me taki no ni obe winning no gab no 2 to 5%.
Entabusia way ene ne Jana Chukwu so ode ababetu dwa ede afa ene hwehwe mu a wonim ede fa sunsun mu nsem ene abato eho ena mebusia yakwakoti ede aba aso wugidi se enema ya Jana Chukwu akan eya na ewonsunsun so ewa abato so yebeka ya ba ababetu aba no ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama me 2024 abato ye abra ye to no mampeni John Dramani Mahama ekọ ne papa na so Dr. Muhammad Baumia wono so ko ne papa na so ne nyina no na ye kire se eda no ha obi de kwame ne nyina no e favor in a way tebusia we no se na Jana Chukwu so ababeche na adwene sen e na wosi hu ensemi esifa message so bija comment no e wo comment section ho e de amame all the social media handles no e too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na fofo so de bia hwemedin e de dark gold ye besia.